and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am making semolina orange eggless cake. It is going to be very delicious. We need just very few ingredients for it. Basic ingredients we need at home. We have most of time at home. So let's see what we need for it. For it, we need some dry ingredients, semolina, some sugar, some baking powder, baking soda, and some plain flour. For wet ingredients, we need yogurt, some vanilla essence. So first, I am mixing my dry ingredients in a bowl. Semolina in, now followed by plain flour and some soda, baking soda, some baking powder and some salt. I will mix all of them until they combine very well. And in my other bowl I will mix my sugar and yogurt and some vanilla essence. And I will mix them until all the ingredients combined, sugar and yogurt, very well. Just 2 minutes. Until sugar is dissolved. So I used caster sugar. It is more fine. And now my dry ingredients will go in. So I will mix all of them very well until they combine with each other. Yeah, it is ready. Look at this, it's nice, smooth. Now my oven is already preheated on 180 centigrade and my tin is prepared with lining paper and oil, all other inside and in bottom. So all the mixture will go here. My tin is about 8 inch. Now it is ready to go in my oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Pan is heated on medium flame. Now orange juice is going and sugar, and we will cook it until it is dissolved. And now I am using some orange chopped in round rings. And I will cook it just few minutes until it reduces to half. It is thickened. So now I will add lemon juice and cook few minutes more, just 2-3 minutes more. It is looking fine now. It is quite thickened. No, so I will turn my flame off and our glaze is ready. So let's see what is happening our cake. It is looking absolutely beautiful, golden brown. And now I'm going to do toothpick test. It is very clear, so it is cooked. Beautiful aroma is coming. It is looking super amazing. So I will leave it aside until it gets cooled down. Our cake is cooled down completely. I am just taking out from my tin. So first I will remove just from the edge little bit, and then I will look at this, super amazing. And then I will peel this lining. Now looking super amazing. Now I will do just few holes, then I will glaze it. So all the glazing is going top of it. And I will just brush with brush. I will do sides as well. Okay, it is done. Now I will arrange my orange. Here we go. Our cake is ready to serve. So enjoy this cake with your family and friends, and share my channel, subscribe and like for more fantastic recipes and post. Thank you and see you next time.